Continuous downpour from the northeast monsoon battered several districts in Perak over the past week. Panko Island even reported landslides, fallen trees, and damaged roads, increasing the severity of the disaster. Eventually, the rains subsided and the floodwaters receded, yet 4,840 flood victims remained sheltered in 30 evacuation centers across Perak. On 29 November, Tzu Chi volunteers in Teluk Intan visited 10 evacuation centers to provide care and support for flood victims. They purchased essential supplies such as milk powder, diapers, dry rations, and bread. They immediately distributed them the next day so that these affected families could replenish their basic necessities. Manjung was devastated by the flood. Tzu Chi volunteers divided themselves into teams to assist elderly residents who were living alone in clearing off mud as well as throwing out damaged furniture and spoiled belongings.
这水在曼中大概蔓延了整个星期了。第一时间赶到灾区去做审查，过后我们做发放，然后到今天一早我们来灾区帮助一些年长的灾民，我们清洗他们的屋子。今天我们特别的要求当地的官员告诉我们比较需要的几个灾民的屋子了，所以我们去了3户，3户都是年长的孩子没有在身边的长辈了，所以我们就以最快的速度帮忙他们清理家园。
Berapa hari perlu dia?
4 hari, 3 hari. 3 hari. Ini Selasa, Rabu, Khamis, Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad. 5 hari duduk sana. Kita 24 bulan pergi.
Nak mengucapkan terima kasihlah kepada semua NGO yang sudi datang pada hari ini, yang bertukar lumus untuk membersihkan rumah orang kampung kita.
Makcik, umur berapa?
84.
Duduk seorang ke? Anak?
Banyak. Duduk mana? Saya mula-mula masuk rumah ni rasa macam wah, terkejut lah. Kesian makcik ni, tapi dengan hasil bantuan NGO Tzu Chi ni, sekarang rumah ni berubah lah. Saya rasa bersyukur dan terharu lah sebab sangat baguslah tim ini membantu makcik ni yang dah keseorangan ni.
我这个马切套影响你的东西是什么？因为已经停电这么多天了，马切会否全部给清掉？然后我就打开冰箱的时候，看到它冰箱里面所有的东西都已经腐烂了的，所以呢，那个味道是非常的重的。我感觉我挺像。
The cleanup after the floods is often more challenging and exhausting than facing the floods itself. With the help of Tzu Chi volunteers, residents in Manjung and Teluk Intan regained hope in restoring and rebuilding their homes again. Reporting from Malaysia, Thai News.
多一份善念，多一份平安。一人一善，远离灾难。